dogs. Now let's follow my motion. Ready? Raining, it's raining cats and dogs. The sky is dark and cloudy. It's raining cats and dogs. Let's read the words again. Alright? Raining. Wait. Again. Show me your fingers. Alright? And sing aloud. Try again.
Okay. Raining, it's raining cats and dogs.
The
Sky is dark and cloudy. It's raining cats and dogs.
Hold on, Cherry. This is not cats and dogs. Show me a lovely cat and dog, okay? Now, from raining here again.
Raining, it's raining cats and dogs. Clara is getting very wet. It's raining cats and dogs.
And from the flower, okay? Show me a flower. Like this, so beautiful. Okay, like a cherry blossom. What flower is yours? Mine is a rose.
Mine is a rose.
Yours is a rose too? How about yours?
Mine is a rose.
Rose?
My house has rose people.
Rose people? What do you mean? Okay, what other flowers do you know?
Rose flower.
Raise your hand.
Rose. Red poppy.
Sorry?
Red poppy.
Red poppy?
Red.
Okay, red poppy flower. Very good. We also have red poppy flower.
天堂鸟。
天堂鸟. I think it's paradise bird. How about your flower?
Sunflower.
Sorry?
Sunflower.
A plum flower. Good. Plum flower.
Roses.
Sorry?
Roses.
Roses. And
Sunflower.
sunflower. Yay! Okay, let's continue again, alright? From the flower. Ready? Show me the flowers. The flowers and trees are happy. It's raining cats and dogs. The green grass is happy. It's raining cats and dogs. Clifford's hair is very wet. It's raining cats and dogs. Dancing. Clifford's dancing in the rain. It's raining cats and dogs. Clifford is getting Clifford's dancing in the rain. It's raining cats and dogs. Good. It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
The sky is dark and cloudy.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Raining, it's raining cats and dogs.
Clifford's getting very wet.
It's